This section we will illustrate the self-sweeping. During spraying operation, drone will automatically accelerate or decelerate when reaching the plot edge, which will cause boundary spraying to fly out of the plot, to few droplets in partial area of plot or uneven spreading in boundaries, and so on. In this case, sweep function is needed to improve the operation efficiency as well as enhance the operation effect in plot boundaries. Select a planned plot. Self-sweeping function is opened by default. Click Edit Route. Select Sweep the Edge. Users can select whether to open the sweep operation based on requirements, or choose Independent Edge Sweep. It's available to click Reverse Edge Sweep to set the sweep route to clockwise or counterclockwise. During the edge sweeping of spreading, reducing the rotational speed of spreader is needed to prevent the spreading materials from flying out of plot boundaries. If the self-sweeping function has been opened, drone will operate around the plot boundary after finishing the route operation. During sweeping operation, drone should keep flying with the drone head forward